Okay, guys, hello. Okay, guys, hello. It's Noah once again, and I will be. This is day two of the 100 days technical analysis challenge. So this is USDTF. I just want to do a quick recap. In my previous video, I said we have to anticipate price to come up here to 0.9644, and then we might see a breakout, a retest, confirmation. However, we didn't get the breakout we were expecting. So we just got a rejection, shooting star formation here, and stop trades are taken from here, stops above here, and then profit and then trade entered profit. So however, what we are going to be anticipating on this pair is for it to come back down to this level right here. It's already on. I'll use this level instead, not this weekly level 0.9500. Right, so that's it. Anticipate what price is going to do here. Maybe price comes back down here, then we can see candlestick formation, see what the price does, see what the market does at this level. Are we going to get a rejection and go back up, or are we going to break out and then continue falling down back to this level? So that's it. Those are the two options, the two viable possibilities that may occur on USD chart. So either way, we'll be ready for it. However, today I'm going to be looking at Aussie card. Yes, it's been long I looked at this pair, to be honest. Well, let's dissect it. Let's see how it goes. So, first of all, on the monthly, we can see we're in a bearish trend. With this being our previous swing, then price comes down here. On the weekly currently, we are bigger trend is bearish, but currently we're in a small itty bitty daily upwards retracement trend. So that being said, we can mark out our levels. We have one here, we have one here, we have another one here. All right, I'm just going to cater for current price, then we move on from there. All right, I think I can adjust this one to here. Yeah, that's good. All right, just to cater for current price, and then we have that's good, that's enough, for now. Right, so current level that we are resting on 0.92844 weekly level. So what happens? We see that price boom breaks above the weekly. Then maybe this is a retest, maybe not. That being said, these are our levels that we are working with. Daily chart. All right. So on the daily, we have, what do we see? We see price comes spikes into 0.9450. Now let me look whether there is any level there. 0.9450, no. But then for the sake of this, we can just put this right here. That was last week's high. So we can just use that right there. So what do we see on the daily chart? Price, boom, spikes into here, then quickly reverses and comes down back. So that being said, we are now resting on this weekly 0.9280. Now, potentially, we can see that price has just been in a current bull run ever since. So maybe from here we can see a relief, and then price relieves itself, maybe comes back down to this level, right here, 0.9169. Maybe comes back, tests this level, or comes back to this weekly, and then go back up. However, let's go to the 4 hour to see what is showing us. All right, so good, beautiful. On the 4 hour level, we have this. We have this level. Okay, we have this level right here. What do we see? Price goes up, then retraces, and then what happens? Boom, a liquidity bump. Price goes back up again. We also have this level. Price comes back down, and then what happens again? Liquidity push, price takes it back up again, and then where we have another small pullback to that level right here. So we can just draw this right here as being a 4-hour level. Yeah, perfect retest, breakout, retest, and boom, back down here, almost 80, 100 pips thereabout. So now that we've marked this up, a break of this level, we can potentially see price come back into 0.9200 now to pick up orders. Remember, people that are going long, they have stop losses here. So it has taken out these people. They also have stop losses here, and they should also have stop loss here. So, however, market can quickly reverse on people with short notice. Boom, come back, take out this level, and then reset itself from here, and then we see how it plays out. All right. So that being said, I'll be looking for short trades now because, in my opinion, I'll say the trend has somewhat reversed. But then if you want to be ambitious, if I want to be ambitious and then take trades now by trading range, I can take a buy, go up here, as the case may be. So that being said, 4-hour level, sorry, 4-hour level price spikes in, gives us a rejection. Now we can draw this, map this out here. So 1 hour, we see spike 1, spike 2. That's to tell you that momentum is dying, momentum is shifting. The bulls are about to maybe push the price back up a little higher, maybe 60, 70 pips, then come tumbling back down again. If you want to add more confluence to your trade, you can just simply draw a trend line here and say, okay, expect price to come back, maybe test this trend line. If you want to add another confluence, get your Fibonacci maybe up here, test this level, 78.6, and then price comes tumbling back down again. That being said, so going down to a 30 minutes time frame, can we find any decent trade opportunities? Any decent trades? 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so we have this level. We have this minor intraday level on the 50 minutes chart. So if we can see a clear and clean break above this 50 minutes chart, clear and clean break, we wait for a retest, still on the 50 minutes, by the way. This is just going to happen on the 50 minutes. Wait for a retest, then we can take longs back up here to that trend line. Stop loss will be, if I just get my straight to, so long position, this will be it. If we see a breakout or retest continuation, then we can take longs back up here, 60 pips thereabout. Our stops will be just below this level, 20 pips stop loss or 20 pips stop loss. Good trade, 1:3, 20 pips to make 60, 70 pips, which is a good trade. So that's it for this video, Aussie card. I'll check in later to see how it plays out and how it pans out. However, also giving a second opinion, if this doesn't play out and price breaks out of this level, then I will be looking for shorts back down to 0.9200, which is roughly 100 pips. So we have two ways we can go, up or down. We see a breakout of here, a retest, and then boom, we sink back down. Either way, I'll be watching and be monitoring this pair, and then I'll give feedback on the next video, which is tomorrow, if the move plays out. All right, thank you very much.